Welcome from my tiny kitchen. Watch this step-by-step video and learn how to make this really easy, delicious microwave dessert. You just need 4 ingredients. The recipe is in the description. Start by crushing tea biscuits or digestive biscuits until it resembles fine breadcrumbs. You can do it in a zip-top bag with a rolling pin or blitz it in a food processor. When ready, add the crushed biscuits into a mixing bowl and add in melted butter. Mix together until the butter biscuit mix resembles wet sand. Form the crust of the dessert by spreading it into a microwave-safe pie dish that has been sprayed with baking spray. You can use a mug or a glass to help press down the corners. When ready, place in the refrigerator for use later. And for the filling, just 2 ingredients. Mix together strawberry yogurt and a can of condensed milk. Carefully pour the filling mix into the pie crust and microwave on high for 7 minutes. The microwave shot didn't work out as expected, but you get the idea. You can chill the dessert and serve as is, or take it one step further and make a jelly topping. Follow the instructions of a store-bought strawberry jelly packet, which usually is mixing the packet contents with hot water and when completely dissolved, topping up with cold water. When the jelly is mixed, leave to cool before using. Another easy idea. You could add a glaze using strawberry preserve thinned down with a few drops of hot water. To avoid the pouring of the jelly creating dents in the dessert, pour over an upside down tablespoon. Leave in the refrigerator to set. This dessert can be made a day before. You can garnish the dessert with fresh strawberries and mint. And there you have it, a delicious dessert that is really easy to make. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already and check out some of these other videos for inspiration. Thank you so much for watching. As you can see, it's so delicious, I couldn't help myself.